an interesting question to play with for self-enquiry, an adaptation on the classical question posed by Ramana Maharshi, who am I, or what am I? And this question is, when am I? So when we ask, when am I? It's evident that I am now. And we can ask, when am I always? I am always now. So am I ever absent? No, I am always now, present. What seems to be in the past or the future? Thought. For I am now. When am I? Now. And see if I ever leave now. The I that is now, does that leave now? If we catch ourselves imagining a future or a past, when am I? Am I in the future or the past? Or am I now? When am I? When are you? When is consciousness present? When is reality present? Now. The same now that I am present, that consciousness is present. So are these two separate nows, or is it the same presence of now, that consciousness is present and reality is present? How many nows am I currently experiencing? One. So there's a oneness present now. This now is oneness. The now that is consciousness, I, reality. One presence. I am reality. I am consciousness. I am now. Consciousness is now. Reality is now. I is now. So, what are you? Having seen when you are, and when all that is, is.